If you're ready to put the finishing touches on your bathroom and elevate it from ordinary to extraordinary, then you need what I have in this package. I want to thank Neil and ImageYou for reaching out to me with this wonderful product. The ironic thing is, I was just talking to my mom about making small changes in her bathroom, and then they reached out to me. Once I started to unbox the mirror, I was so pleased with the detail and care for the packaging of the product. I mean, the mirror is surrounded by layers of styrofoam to ensure it arrives safely without any cracks or scratches. Everything you need is included in the package for this quick installation, including detailed instructions. ImageYou products can be found on Amazon. And who doesn't love shopping on the A? Well, that's what I call it. They have a variety of sizes of mirrors that can fit a small space, like my mom's bathroom, and mirrors up to 60 by 40. This mirror has a dimmable feature, which means it can meet all of your lighting needs, ranging from 3000K to 6000K. This mirror also is backlit, which means it makes you look beautiful and provides comfortable visual lighting in your bathroom. It's flicker free and has no UV rays, ensuring your safety. Easy installation by using a Z-shaped bracket, which is included along with spacers and the screws. And best of all, it has a 3-year warranty. So my brother was home today and so graciously decided to hang this mirror for me. As you can see, he is measuring not once, but twice for the correct placement of the mirror. Of course, I am the project manager in the background giving my instructions. So he's simply attaching the Z-channel bracket to the wall using the included 4 screws and 4 anchors. It's like that. The mirror is being hung. So now it's my turn to step in and to give the space a little cleaning and to show you some features of my brand new mirror. This mirror comes with dual options. I can have it hardwired, or I can simply use the plug that's attached. So instead of calling a professional electrician, we're just going to plug it in for now. This mirror gives me a quick, cost-effective way into converting this bathroom into a more modern space. I love the bright light. And again, this is a backlit LED mirror. But now let's talk about some of the features. Button number 1 turns my mirror on and off. Button number 2 is my dimmable control. And button number 3 is for my anti-fog feature. So I want to thank Neil for sending me this beautiful mirror. Mom absolutely loves it, and I love it as well. In fact, Mom, I'll just be washing my face in your bathroom from now on. Well, until I upgrade mine. Until next time, thank you so much for stopping by. You know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook at The Priceless Pearl Life. I'll see you soon, and thanks so much for watching today's video.